in 2023, and we have a different challenge, but partially, than we did before. What Sheik is advocating for, what you all are advocating for, making professional CHWs the norm, is still our primary goal. But now we're in a different place, where it is the how. Implementation is a challenge, because, as John noted, as donors, we're lining up behind countries, right? We have, so part of the purpose of me being with Peter and John was to have these conversations because, again, as this John mentioned, so much of our work is donor alignment. We're moving beyond the days where the donors are saying, say, to the Honorable Minister, we're going to give you some money, but here's how we want you to do the things that we are asking of you to do. We're moving past that. We make space for the fact that we did that. We still might do that a little bit. But we're moving beyond it to a place where we say and sit with the Honorable Minister of Malawi and we say, Honorable Minister, what are your priorities? Help us understand how you see moving forward, particularly around primary care, community-based care, and the engine of that work, which is community health workers. And then our questions really surround, what are the gaps that you have? How do we help you accelerate progress as a donor community, right? That is a very different conversation.
It's important that funding moves from being piecemeal. We have to be more system-orientated in how we fund. We have to build the coherence of systems. We have to move, not to stop innovation, but we have to move to scaling innovation so that it's successful and reaches people in countries. We have to move from vertical funding to polyvalent funding. We have to enable people to be multifunctional in what they do. And it means that we have to be coordinated. And that leads me to the next and most important, I think, piece, that this has to be led by countries. We have to put the countries in the driving seat as donors. We have to listen to their agenda, follow their national plan and their national budget, and make sure that donors are coordinating to leverage our skills. As donors, we are different. We are not an homogeneous group of organizations. We have different capabilities and different skills. So let's use that value and difference in our agenda to support countries in delivering their agenda, their plan.